So, dear students, we continue with the 5-year plans. The 5-year plans were conceived to rebuild rural India, to lay the foundations of industrial progress, and to secure the balanced development of all parts of the country. Recognizing health as an important contributory factor in the utilization of manpower and the uplifting of the economic condition of the country, the Planning Commission gave considerable importance to health programs in the 5-year plans. The 11th 5-year plan, that is from 2007 to 2012, and the 12th 5-year plan from 2012 to 2017. Planning Commission is an organization in the Government of India which formulates India's 5-year plan. It was set up on 15th March 1950 with the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru as the chairman. First 5-year plan was from 1951 to 1956. The 12th 5-year plan, Mr. Montek Singh Ahluwalia hold the position of deputy chairman. Prime Minister was the chairman of the commission. The broad objectives of this was the control or eradication of major communicable diseases, strengthening of basic health services through establishment of PHC and CHCs, population control, development of health manpower resources. Health sector planning includes the following sectors: water supply and sanitation, control of communicable diseases, medical education, training and research, medical care including hospitals, dispensaries and PHCs, public health services, family planning, indigenous system of medicine. What were the failures of the 11th 5-year plan, which was from 2007 to 2011? The GDP growth was targeted to reach 9.0% but reached only 8.2%. Fails to achieve IMR goal 28 per thousand live births, 42 per thousand, now aimed at to 25 per thousand. MMR goal was 1 per thousand per live births. TFR goal was 2.1%, 2.5 per thousand. Child sex ratio at birth improved by 2 points to 908 from 906 FM per thousand M. 12th 5-year plan, the government on 4th October 2011 approved the 12th 5-year plan. 2012 to 2017, that set average growth target at 8.2%. The theme of the approach paper is faster, sustainable and more inclusive growth. 12th 5-year plan objectives. The basic objective is faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth. Could aim at 9.0 to 9.5%. For growth to be more inclusive, we need better performance in the agriculture, faster creation of jobs, especially in manufacturing, stronger efforts at health, education and infrastructure, special plans for disadvantaged and backward regions. What were the strategic challenges? Based on an intensive process within the Commission, the following 12 strategy challenges have been identified: enhancing the capacity for growth, enhancing skills and faster generation of employment, managing the environment, markets for efficiency and inclusion, decentralization, empowerment and information technology and innovation. Securing the energy future for India, accelerated development of transport infrastructure, rural transformation and sustained growth of agriculture, managing urbanization, improved access to quality education, better preventive and curative health care. Health is another critical dimension of human capability which needs much greater attention. Better health is not only about care but better prevention. The 11th 5-year plan drawn attention on India's health indicators which continue to be still weaker than they should be at a level of development. Resources. The total plan size has been estimated at 47.7 lakh crores. The 6.92 crores for health. Resources for the plan are being worked out in collaboration with the Ministry of Finance. In 2014, Narendra Modi government decided to wind down the Planning Commission. It was replaced by the newly formed NITI Aayog, the Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India. Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India, Aayog, formed in 1st January 2015. Headquarters was in Delhi, established by Prime Minister Narendra Modi after having dissolved the Planning Commission. Aim was to foster involvement and participation in the economic policy making process by the state governments of India, and the chairperson was Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Nidhi Aayog mean a group of people with authority entrusted by the government to formulate, regulate policies concerning transforming India. It is a commission to help government in the social and economic issues. Also, it is an institute of think tank with the experts in it. Nidhi Aayog transforming India. Constant development is the law of life, and man who always tries to maintain his dogmas in order to appear consistent drives himself into false position. Mahatma Gandhi, as quoted in the cabinet resolution constituting Nidhi Aayog, Planning Commission 5-year plans, the fund disperser, one size fits all model. Nidhi Aayog, decentralized bottom-up strategies, generation of new ideas, Team India, center and states. January 2015. It started in January in 1950 to January 2015. Nidhi Aayog. Development as mass movement. In 1857, 1952, Quit India Mahatma Gandhi 1942. Galvanized India's citizens, culminating in independence in 1947. 1947 independence, 2017 Sankalp C. Siddhi, time to generate greater momentum to activate New India by 2022. 2047 Sarva Shrestha Bharat. So this is the mass movement development. Nidhi Aayog, Chief Minister of all states, Lieutenant Governors of Union Ministries, Prime Minister, expert specialists and practitioners, Vice Chairman, ex officio members and Chief Executive Officers are part of the Nidhi Aayog team. New India 2022 model for the world. India's nation builders choose to undertake the economic, political and social transitions simultaneously. By successfully completing these three transitions, India will emerge as a model for the rest of the world 2017 to 2022, making development as a mass movement. Sankalp C. Siddhi for India to emerge as Swachh, Swastha, Shikshit, Sampan, Saksham, Surakshit Bharat by 2022. For 2022, we resolved to have poverty-free India, dirt and squalor-free India, corruption-free India, terrorism-free India, casteism-free India and communism-free India. What are the functions? To provide a critical, directional and strategic input into the development process, emerge as a think tank, provide government at the central and state levels with relevant strategic and technical advice across a spectrum of key elements of policy, develop mechanisms to formulate credible plans to the village level and aggregate these progressively at higher levels of government, special attention to the section of society that may be at the risk of not benefiting adequately from economic progress. Will create a knowledge, innovation and entrepreneurial support through a collaborative community of national and international experts, practitioners and partners. Will offer a platform for resolution of intersectoral and interdepartmental issues in order to accelerate the implementation of the developmental agenda. The Nidhi Aayog will monitor and evaluate the implementation of programs and focus on technology upgradation and capacity building. Thank you, dear students. So you read upon this all this and make your own notes and refer to the net also if you have any doubts.